Alright guys, welcome back once again, and in today's video we are going to learn how to export files and then import files in Adobe Photoshop. So I believe you're all familiar with this dialog box and how to create a new document. So let's get to work. Let's click create. Importing or bringing an image onto the canvas, there are two ways. It's either one, you go to file and go to open, and then you locate where your picture is. I have this beautiful bee over here. Let me open it. Alright, boom, our picture has been imported onto the Photoshop application. And if you want to move this bee onto the previous canvas, that is the previous document that we were working on, you have first of all have to unlock it, and then you click and drag it and you move it to the previous canvas, and here we have it. The second way is going to where the picture is. My picture is located at desktop. Here's the picture, here's the bee. Alright, so you click and drag the picture to the Photoshop software, and then you leave it. Press enter. Hey, we've imported our picture. So these are the ways of importing a picture. This is a project that we were working on in our last video. So you want to save this project as a picture. What we have to do is to come to file, we have save as, and then you select your designated location. We'll save it to desktop. Then we name our file Ghana flag. The save as type is what the issue is. In Photoshop, we have the PSD, BMP, we have the IFF, we have the JPEG stereo, and then we have the PDF, we have the PNG, and then we have the TIFF. So many formats that we can mention. But when we want to save it as picture, it can be in the form of JPEG or PNG. So let's choose the JPEG, and then we click on save. So over here we have the quality and we have the size of the file. So we want the quality to be high, so we bring to maximum. You can decide to make your picture low, the quality of your picture low, but I don't know why you make the quality of your picture low. So let's maximize the quality of the picture. So now the size will be 63.7 kilobytes as indicated here, and then you click on OK. Let's come to desktop. Hola, our Ghana flag is ready. There's another way of saving this file as a picture. That is the shortcut form. It is Shift Ctrl Alt W. Then the dialog box will be open. So here is the format. Let's choose JPG, and then we click on export. A dialog box will be open. We save it as Ghana flag. We are done. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel, leave a comment in the section, and also like or give me a thumbs up. For now, is bye.